Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find specific person on Telegram, or how you can find his ID or his email or username, whatever you want. First, I want to enable the user info bot, because this bot will give us a lot of information about the person. So user info bot, tap on that and then tap on start. Alright, now it's important because if you can see, he will send the information about the message that I sent to this bot. So I sent /start and he sent me the ID, my first name, my last name. So this is important. Alright, now if I go to a group chat, just right here, and I send this message forward in the user info bot chat, send, he will give me all the information that I need. Now I have the username, now I have the ID, and I have the title of the product that he is selling. Alright, use this bot to find specific persons on Telegram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.